Hudson Library. This is Terry.
Hi Terry, this is Jira. I'm outside ready to pick up the new craft for this week.
Did you need a teen or a kid's craft?
I just need one kid's craft this week.
Sounds good. I'll be right out.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to create this fun craft with you guys.
Hi, so we have a variety of sand art crafts, and you know what's going to be cool is the excitement's going to be is which one will you get.
Okay, so first things first, we're gonna need two things. We're gonna need a paper plate and a pair of scissors. You wanna grab your pair of scissors, and then you just wanna go ahead and open up the bag that your craft came in. And then you want to dump out your materials. Then you want to get your sand art design. I got this cute little monster. And then you just want to place the design on top of your paper plate. So there is a trick to creating a beautiful design, and that is doing a section at a time. So I'm going to start off by removing the two horns at the top. And then the reason why we have a plate is so that our sand doesn't get everywhere. So then I'm going to do, let's go ahead and do black horns. I'm going to do black horns, so I'm just going to open it. Just remove just a little piece from the top, and then what you want to do is just sprinkle the sand over the sticky part, and then dump the excess, and then it should look like this. So then now you just want to continue that same exact step with all the other pieces of your design. I'm gonna do his hair next. And I think I'm gonna do orange hair. So my sand art design came with a set of googly eyes, so I already went ahead and I removed the sticky tabs. Now all I'm gonna do is attach my googly eyes, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. It looks like this. How cute is he? If you want to create some sand art like mine, go ahead and come visit us at the Hudson Public Library, Curbside Pick Up, and you can take one of these home and create your own.